Hello, my name is Ajibola Abiodun, and I currently work as a senior project finance analyst at Okra Solar. The Financial Modeling Academy actually has made a huge difference in my career. Before now, I was mostly self-taught when it comes to financial modeling. So when I went through the Financial Modeling Academy, I learned the art and the science of financial modeling. And what I mean by that is, for example, I learned how to structure and format my financial model in a way whereby it is easier to follow through and read through the financial model just like you are reading a book. And also, I was able to understand drivers when it comes to financial modeling, getting to understand that every line item is driven by something. And if I can be able to accurately capture what the driver is, I will be able to, make a forecast into the future. And this has really made a difference in my career. For example, at my previous job, I had to even rebuild most of my models due to the newfound knowledge and skills from the Financial Modeling Academy, and it changed the way we look at the projects we were working on as a then one thing I also mentioned is that it was also pivotal for my recent career switch into the renewable energy sector because my current role requires a lot of modeling, and the Financial Modeling Academy really was like a stepping stone into where I am today. So I'm really grateful for that opportunity.